Hello traders. So yesterday I posted the video and the way it was so detailed, I feel like more people should get this information, because what I talked about yesterday really went a long way and it helped people to get to a lot of profits like I did over here. So I just feel like let me replay the video and make the comments at the end of the video, because I want you to learn something from it. I know most of you didn't see it because I done something that most of you didn't get the video, so I'm just going to replay it right now and make sure everybody sees how everything went down. In the meantime, feel free to subscribe. Let's do this. Hello traders, welcome to our YouTube channel once again. Today I'm back with another amazing strategy on how we were able to bake such profits. I'm going to show you step by step of how we got this one. It's on USD and this is the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to take you guys really all the way because I want to show you how we were able to get something like this, not just that but something like this. Guys, I'm going to show you this one in a few seconds. Just watch this video till the end and I assure you, after watching this video, you are definitely going to be able to make such tremendous profits. So let's get to it. So when we got this site on TradingView, we decided that we are going to put our stop loss just right over here, just in case price decided to go up again from this point going up that way. So we decided to place our stop loss at that level, and then what we did is that our take profits level was just slightly at this point where you remember on the chart. I'm going to show you that side. Otherwise, this is what we decided, and so you can see for yourself. Look at the magnitude of the profits we were able to make just on the 4-hour time frame, because we knew that price was going to try to close this gap over here. So this gap right here, we knew that price was going to try to close it after we had seen our bearish engulfing candle just right here. So now I'm going to show you again on the chart how this thing really went down. So we were able to make such profits, and now let me just show you this side. So this is how everything started on. So you can see the magnitude of our profit making right now, and this is for now the highest, this one. So that is where we are on USD. So now I'm going to show you, just run things through and show you from the beginning of how everything started. So this is how things started. So if you look at this graph, you can see that we had an uptrend of price. So price has been bullish from this point and it's been really promising going up, but something happened when price got to this level over here. And if you can check very well, as I have highlighted over here using my rectangle, you can see that price was just quite ranging at this point. So price decided to be ranging just around this area over here, but what we were looking for, we were looking for a breakout. So we're looking for either price was going to break out going down out of this place. Like for instance, we were just waiting for price to go down like that, or price going up. And fortunate enough, there is something that happened in the market. And looking at these two candles over here, you can see that we had a breakout here, right? So that is our breakout, but you can see that price was highly rejected at this point. That's the reason why now on the next 2 4-hour time frame intervals, we've got these candles over here, and you can see how small they are. So price was just at this very small magnitude here. So, and then price decided that it was going to make a breakout again using a bearish candle, but you can see these two spikes over these regions, that price was really rejected going up and price was rejected going down again, until we had this candle over here, the bullish candle. But even for there, you can see that there was quite a high resistance going up from this point, but price was persistent. So now after we had this gap, over here, this one really gave us something. So after this gap started, and then we had this candle, after that candle was open and we were just waiting for a bearish engulfing candle or bullish engulfing candle, then we knew what we're going to have. And after we saw this bearish candle over here, that is why we had such a movement over here. So this movement was so good, and we were able to place our trade just right there. And this is a 4-hour time frame. You know what we did also after we got this one? Remember I said so we used this one as our take profits, and then we used this one as our stop loss region. But the key point of this whole thing was that we were able to make this analysis because we were looking at the chart, we were taking everything, we were not out. So that's why I always advise you to stay in the market. So right now I want to show you this thing again. So after price began to go down like that, I decided to also do some scalping, because you can see this is the 4-hour time frame. And if price is running down like this, because you can see that price was just going down the whole way, look at this whole region. So price kept on going down. So what I decided to do was to take things to the 15-minute time frame. I love the 15-minute time frame. I think you've noticed that from our trades. So I love the 15-minute time frame. And what did we do on the 15-minute time frame? Oh guys, you don't know guys, you don't know. So we decided to also make another entry when price started going down on the 15-minute time frame at that region over there. We decided that we were going to place some trades also, and we took this whole region going down, and we made massive profits. I think you can see how we're able to reach that size over there. So guys, I don't know how can I explain this better, but you can see the evidence is really here. Today it's a Monday. Let's enter the market with power, with more precision. Let's make this thing work, guys. Let's make this thing work no matter what, I'm telling you. So I just wanted to show you this thing on TradingView and also on MT5, because really I wanted you guys to have a picture of how things go down here. This was a really amazing trade. You know, I've never been this proud, I've never been this happy, because like I told you, we made a lot, we really made a lot. And right now price is back to ranging again. As you can see, price is back to ranging just at this region. So we're just going to wait for price to make another breakout. Otherwise, as you can see, that price is back to ranging again. But after it breaks out of here, we will be waiting. Trust me, we will be here, we will be watching, and we will be waiting for price to make that move. And when it does, because this is our 4-hour time frame, I really enjoy the 4-hour time frame, guys. You have no idea how much I enjoy this one. So as you can see, that price was ranging once again, but seemingly we are going to have a breakout soon. So we might have a breakout over here, because if you take a look at the movement of price over here, so let's just take this, so let's just make this one. So let's put the rectangle again, so you can see I'm just going to make it this region. So I think we already have a breakout at this level over here. So you can see that we have a breakout down there, and it's really promising. Just over here. So if price decide to do what it did again, we are going to be deep in profits. Otherwise, guys, all our strategies are all entailed, they are all simple, they are all detailed. I'm always trying to show you guys how simple trades can be. It's not as hard as people make it sound. It's not as hard as people make you think. This is possible. It's a Monday. Let's go, let's make it right now. Just stop this video and go out there and make money. Feel free to subscribe to our channel to get more videos, to get more strategies, to get more insight. I'm always trying to help everybody out. Let's make this thing work, guys. Let's make this thing work. 2025 is our year. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video, and we are going to make massive profits once again. This is the Alpha House, where we minimize losses and maximize profits. Take care. So with all that said and done, I feel like let people begin to work on this thing. Let people begin to work on this, and I want results before the end of the week. So I would really love to get feedback from you guys on how you did on your trades before the end of the week. Otherwise, we are still working on our trades this week, and we are still going to make more profit. I will see you guys on the next video. You take care.